June 4th. Christian doesn't really feel well today. He's got a little bit of a fever, 101.7. So we're taking him to the doctor's office. What do you think, Christian? You want to give the people 5? You want to say anything? Say hello. I don't feel so good. Christian's got the camera, people. Watch out. Watch out. That's you, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, we're going to stop filming now since nobody can see nothing. Let's stop. Let's push the button.